birdie. Hi guys, today we are at McDonald's and we just parked and we see a little birdie.
You want to look here and talk?
And guys, don't open your window when a birdie is around you or else it will fly up here and eat your nose and bleed. So don't open your window. Ask the parents if they say no or yeah.
So what's the bird's name?
I'm gonna name a Picky. I'm gonna name her Mrs. Sparkles.
Sparkle?
Yeah, that's
Really?
a good name.
Nati, what are you gonna name the birdie?
Superman.
Superman and Sparkle. Okay.
Superman and Sparkles.
So only in Florida,
Florida.
do you go to a drive-through and you find someone begging for French fries, right, Esther Sue?
Yeah. Guys, don't open your window.
But you're not supposed to feed the birdies, okay? Never.
Or else the cops are gonna come and arrest
Well, they're
us.
supposed to, if you feed them, what's gonna happen?
The
They
cops.
become dependent on you feeding them, and they're not gonna know how to fend for themselves, and they'll end up dying. So you never feed them. So how pretty it is.
The placenta's in her belly. Don't pull it down. Sharp claws, and I would never. Superman and Sparkles. Get out. Get out. Get out. Yeah. No. Oh, that's the cops. Or else the cops gonna come.
Okay, say bye. Okay.
Bye.
Anything else you want to say to the camera, guys?
Nope.
Esther Sue?
Subscribe to our channel and see this again. Okay, bye. And we're the Bolo Kids. The Bolo Kids.